Hey, this will be a video chart on ZVTK, ZVTK Incorporated. I know a lot of the members on my Facebook page and so forth are playing this one, so I want to get this up here because it is making a nice move and looking like it's coming to life here. So I want to get a few things pointed out, get the supports, resistance levels, and so forth all mapped out so everybody knows what to look for in the future here. First, let's just break down kind of what's been going on. Clearly back here in October, nice move, came back down and found support here at the 50-day, which is this purple line, bounced up, fell back down, found support at the 50-day, bounced up, then slowly came back down, and surprise, surprise, has once again found support right here at this purple line here, the 50-day simple moving average. So very clearly, the 50-day has been a great area of support. But now it's a matter of trying to kind of break out of this longer term, medium term, whatever you want to classify that kind of channel we have, with the bottom being the 50-day simple moving average and the top kind of being, up here around 0.003. That could vary, but the point I'm trying to make here is that the price has very clearly just been going sideways, and it's while going sideways, luckily every single time it's pulled back, it's been finding support right here at the 50-day simple moving average. The other nice thing to note is that being that it keeps bouncing off the 50-day simple moving average, it has allowed it to finally start to put in an uptrend here. So since, well, actually, since, let's just pull it out here real quick. But since, let's see, the beginning of October, it's very clearly remains in an uptrend, where we had a low here, then we had lower lows here, and now we've had this low up here, which is clearly higher. So in the past 2 months, chart is clearly in an uptrend. But what I want to focus on more is now kind of the future resistance levels that the chart is facing. Today, it broke through a very significant one, that being right here. Sorry, I had a phone call there, so I'll just kind of start back where I was. But the key thing that happened today was we had this high at 0.0026, which was kind of a shorter term resistance, and that was broken, which means it has now become a support level, which was very key, because now it's kind of cleared the way towards hopefully some bigger gains here. Looking at the chart, the next area of resistance really isn't until up around this 0.0032 area. And where is that coming from? Well, if you look over here, it was a previous resistance. It pulled back here, acted as a support, and then when it fell on this day, this is where it became officially a resistance level. Price came up here, could never close above it, got knocked back down. But with the break of 0.0026 today, it's kind of, like I said, cleared the way to hopefully get up there and give that a test. I'm going to make this line a little thicker just because I think this resistance will be more of a thorn in the side. But the good news with the thick, kind of tough resistance levels like this is when those prices do fall, it has the ability to kind of propel the price higher and quicker. The next resistance level after that one is going to be up here around the 0.0038, but it could even be up here as high as this 0.004 area, which would be a nice little jump there. So I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. Right now, we just need to worry about hopefully having the price continue on up and get through this level here. Also, looking down at volume, this is exactly what you want to see on breakout days like this. You can see that there has been a clear increase in volume, and hopefully if the price keeps moving up, these volume bars will keep growing larger and larger. The other nice thing on the chart that you can see is right down here, the MACD. You're getting the bullish crossover here, and you're also getting the RSI crossing up above into the power zone. So all the indicators are doing a nice job also of confirming the price action that we've seen so far. And then just real quick, wanted to pull up the weekly to show that. You can see that the weekly has a nice little kind of pattern here shaping up too, and hopefully with a break of this thicker red line, things could really get on the move. But from the weekly pattern, you can see that volume the past couple months has been significantly larger than what it has been for a while. So clearly, there's lots of things going on with the stock, lots more eyes on it, and people are more interested in buying and trading the stock. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. And with your subscription to the newsletter, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a nice variety, something for everybody. We've been making some good money together. And best part is everything's free, so it's worth at least giving a try. One more time, this was ZVTK. Thanks for listening.